Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to discuss video solution test paper 17 NEET biology. So question number 1, spermatogenesis and oogenesis in males and females begins at dash and dash respectively. So correct option is A. Second question, that is seminal plasma is the secretion of male accessory glands, that is seminal vesicle, prostate and bulbourethral gland, and it contains. तो टू का सही आंसर होगा सी. टू का सही आंसर होगा सी. कमिंग टू थर्ड क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो थर्ड क्वेश्चन option will be D. Option will be D. Okay. Coming to question number 4. The option will be C. Coming to question number 5. Okay, question number 5. The sex of the baby is determined by the. Okay, so A is the right answer. Father, not by mother. Okay, because of Y chromosome. Okay. Moving to question number 6. So in oogenesis, a diploid cell produce a dash ovum. Okay, so 6 ka A will be right option. Okay. Seventh straightway A will be right option. 8 again A will be right option. Okay, A will be right option. Then question number 9. Again 9 figure related है, तो A will be right option. Then question number 10. D will be right option. And question number 11, C will be right option. Moving to question number 12. In humans, the function of allantois is to. So 12 का C will be right option. Okay. In humans, allantois is reduced and non-functional, and its function is to supply blood vessels to placenta. Okay, so that is the right answer. Moving to question number 13. B will be right answer. Which hormone level reaches peak during luteal phase of menstrual cycle? Okay, so B will be progesterone. That is the right answer. Okay, moving to question number 14. So straightway D will be right option, all of these. Moving to question number 15. So you need to identify the disease caused by bacteria among these. Okay, so 15 ka correct answer will be B. Okay, B will be 1, 4 and 5. Then question number 16, A will be right option. Question number 17, again A will be right option. And question number 18, D will be right option. Moving to next, that is question number 19. So 19, D will be high birth rate. Okay, what is the chief reason for population growth in country? So high birth rate, that is the right option. Then moving to question number 20, International Conference on Population and Development ICPD was held in 1994 at. Okay, so C will be right, Cairo. Okay, C will be right option. Okay, now moving to question number 21. That is a peculiar procedure to form an embryo by injecting sperm directly into the ovum is. Okay, so 21B will be right option. Okay, ICSI. Okay, ICSI, that is intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Okay, so 22. Moving to question number 22, straightway answer B will be right answer. Then question number 23, C will be right option. Okay, MTP is considered to be safe up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. That is right answer. Moving to question number 24, that is again C will be right option, England 1978. And 25, B will be right option. B will be right option. Moving to question number 26, B will be right option. Placenta developed in human female is. So B is the right option. Okay. Now moving to question number 27, straightway answer will be option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Then moving to question number 28. Okay. 28, A will be right answer. Then moving to question number 29. So again 29 ka A will be right answer. Then 30, question number 30, D will be right option. Okay, the stem cells during early development of embryo is found in. Okay, so D will be mostly in inner cell mass, sometimes in trophoblast. And 31, right answer will be option B. Right option will be. Next question, that is question number 32. D will be right option. Then question number 33, identify. तो 33 का सही आंसर होगा C. Okay. Then 34 straightway answer will be B. 34 answer will be B. Then moving to question number 35, that is C will be right answer. Seminiferous tubules 1 to 3. Okay. 36 का correct answer होगा A. Now moving to next question, that is 37. The layer formed from primitive streak is. So 37, C will be right option. Then moving to 38, B will be right option. Moving to question number 39, again B will be right option. Okay. Then question number 40, 40 A will be right option. 40 A will be right option. Then moving to 41, 41 D will be right option. D will be right option. Then question number 42, A will be right option. Okay. Now moving to question number 43. 43, A will be right option. Question is, implantation of embryo in the uterus at abnormal site is prevented by. Okay. So 43 ka A will be right answer, that is zona pellucida, that is the function of zona pellucida. 44, A will be right option. Okay. Layers on an ovum from outside to inside are. Okay. So A is the right answer. Corona radiata, zona pellucida and vitelline membrane. Okay, now moving to next, that is question number 45, B will be right option. Question number 46, A will be right option. 46, A will be right option. Then 47, moving to next question, that is 47, A will be right answer. The most commonly used marker enzyme in clinical diagnosis of prostate cancer is. Okay, so 47, A will be right answer, acid phosphatase. Okay. Then moving to next question, that is 48, A will be right option. Okay, which hormone stimulates the milk production? The prolactin. Okay. Then moving to question number 49, B will be right answer. And moving to question number 50, again B will be right option. Okay. Now moving to question number 51, B will be right option. Then 52, question number, again B will be right option. Okay, which of the following is true regarding sperms? So B will be right option. 53, amphimixis is. Okay, so 53 right answer is B. Amphimixis is the fusion of male and female pronuclei. It helps in restoring the diploid chromosome number in the offspring. Okay, so question number 53, B is the right answer. Okay. 54, moving to question number 54, C will be right answer. Then moving to question number 55, D will be right answer. 56, the answer should be C. 56, answer should be C. And male reproductive system, that is 57, figure based answer, that is option D will be right option. Okay. Right. Moving to next question, that is question number 58. So 58, A will be right answer. Which wall of the uterus slow off during menstruation? Okay, so endometrium, that is correct answer. Moving to next, 59, C should be right option. To prevent pregnancy, Sahel is commonly used by female. It is a type of, okay. The oral contraceptive pill contain non-steroid preparation. Now, question number 60. Question number 60, C should be right option, Golgi bodies. Then moving to next, that is question number 61. So 61, again D will be right option. D will be right option. Question number 62, C should be right answer. Okay, the hormones. 62, the hormones that are produced in women only during pregnancy. Okay, so C is the right answer. Human placental lactogen, human chorionic gonadotropin, and relaxin. Okay, now 63. Coming to question number 63, C is the right option. Okay, incorrect statement. So chorion is formed by amniogenetics, genic cells inside and somatotelluric mesoderm outside. That is incorrect. Okay, and next question, that is question number 64. B is the right option. B is the right option. Now moving to question number 65. A is the right option. Then question number 66. Again A will be right option. 66, A will be right option. Then 67, innermost lining of uterus. Okay, so 67, B is the right answer. Okay, endometrium, which is glandular. Then question number 68, D will be right option. And 69, again D will be right option. Moving to next question, that is 70. Okay, 70C is the right option. If we remove Leydig cells, then which of the following process will not occur? So, development of secondary sexual characters, that will not occur because testosterone that will be given by Leydig cells. Okay. Now 71C. 71C will be right option, placenta. Okay. 72. 72 straightway C option is correct. 73A will be correct. 73A will be correct. 74, again B will be correct. 75, A will be correct option. 75, A will be correct option. Then question number 76. A will be right answer. 76, A will be right answer. Then question number 77, C will be right answer. Then question number 78, D will be right option. Ectoderm gives rise to the enamel of teeth, nails, adrenal medulla and hair. Then 79, 79, C will be right option. Okay, 80, 80 का आंसर होगा बी, ऑप्शन बी. 81 का भी ऑप्शन होगा बी. Moving to next question, that is question number 82. So D will be right option. Then 83, 83, again D will be right option. Okay, the technique of direct introduction of gamete into oviduct. Okay, so gift, D will be right option. Then moving to next question, that is 84. Again B will be right option for 84. Then 85, C will be right option. 85, C will be the release of oxytocin from the maternal pituitary. Then 86, 86 का option होगा A. Then moving to next question, that is question number 87, and direct answer option will be A. 88, coming to 88, C will be right option, that is gonorrhea. Okay, and 89, last but one, B will be right option. And last 90, lactational amenorrhea means. Okay, तो 90 का option होगा C, absence of menstruation during intense lactation. So thank you so much.